Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple short crust pastry with a lemon filling. I am Chef Nicole and you are cooking with Nick. So for basic short crust pastry, we are going to use 100 grams of chilled butter that is cut into little cubes so that it blends easily with the flour. Then we have 200 grams of flour, and we are going to put that into a food processor. If you don't have a food processor, you can just wait for the butter to soften a bit into room temperature and then just rub it between your fingers to get the same texture. So run it in the blender until you get a nice and rough consistency. Put it onto a work surface. Go through the mixture and break up any lumps that may have formed in the food processor. Make a well in the center of the mixture. Just sprinkle a pinch of salt, and we are going to use 100 ml of water. Pour a little bit of the water in there and start bringing everything together. If your dough feels dry and crumbly, you can add a little more of water, but be careful not to add too much or your dough will become too wet. Knead the dough into a cylindrical shape and wrap it with some cling film and refrigerate it for 10 minutes. Now for the lemon curd, we have 3 eggs, 150 grams of sugar and 80 ml of lemon juice. Put all that together in a bowl and whisk it together. Keep whisking and put the bowl over a pot of boiling water. Keep whisking and let that cook until you get a nice thick texture. Now you can see it has become nice and thick. I've been cooking this for about 5 minutes now, and it's time to add our 50 grams of butter. Whisk that in and allow it to melt completely into the mixture. Once that is cooked and the butter is completely melted and mixed into the lemon curd, take it off the boiling water and allow it to cool down to room temperature, and cover it with a cling film and make sure the cling film touches the lemon curd so that you don't get a skin forming on the top. Take the dough out of the refrigerator and place it on a work surface and start to roll out the dough. Once the dough is rolled out, I used the tart tin to cut out a circle that fits perfectly at the bottom of the tin. Lay it in carefully and press down the sides. Once the tart dough is in, you will have to poke it with a fork so that it doesn't rise up in the middle. After you've done the bottom, you have to use the fork to make holes in the sides of the tart as well, and bake it for 10 minutes. So that's it guys, thank you so much for watching the video. You guys are amazing. Stay tuned for more sweet treats just like this. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, Click the subscribe button and the bell icon to know when I upload my next video. I'll see you on the flip side.